Bangladesh will close schools for one extra day a week and cut office timings by an hour to save power, a government official said, as the country battles a shortage after shutting down all of its diesel-run power plants. The South Asian country last month shut down all 10 of its diesel power plants after Russia's invasion of Ukraine drove up the cost of imported fuel. Bangladesh began daily 2-hour power cuts last month, but many parts of the country go without electricity for much longer. The shut plants account for about 6% of Bangladesh's total power generation capacity of 23,000 megawatts. Natural gas, locally produced and imported, generates nearly 3/4 of the total. Government agencies will open from 8 to 3 instead of the usual 9 to 5, while banks will open from 9 to 4 rather than 10 to 6, starting on Wednesday. Private offices can set their opening hours as per their requirements. Earlier this month, the government raised oil prices by as much as 51.7%, sparking protests by students and opposition parties in the country of 165 million people.